Let me tell you the relation about these two fields, interior and psychology. Interior psychology or design psychology is related and connected in a very intrinsic way with neuroarchitecture. This is an amusing story that I would like to share with you. During the 1950s, the world was suffering from the polio virus, which was spreading among children all over the world. Finding the vaccine was the ultimate goal of the scientists and the researchers during that time. One of those researchers was Jonas Salk, who was working so hard to find the vaccine. Due to this hard work, he experienced the symptoms of fatigue and mind block. So he decided to take some time off and travel to a city called Assisi, which is a town in the province of Umbria in the central Italy. In this town, the miracle happened and he discovered the poliovirus vaccine, Eureka. He said that the beauty of the city architecture gave him the right surroundings that allowed his discovery to come into the light. Inspired by this idea, he contacted the famous architect and designer Louis Kahn to create the research center that could reproduce these conditions and which will encourage creativity among these researchers. And this was the birth of the Salk Institute that has been established in 1965. But the real moment that gave the birth of the neuroarchitecture was in 1997 by the neuroscientist Fred Gage, who discovered the surroundings' influence on the structure of the functions of the brain. Influenced by this discovery, the Academy of Neuroscience for Architecture was founded by John Embert. But what is the opinion of the architects and the designers regarding this? The opinions were stunning. I came across a wonderful article by John Jablonski, one of the influential designers in Detroit, and it was written in October 2018. And I'm quoting Jablonski because there are a number of debates about which additional skills designers should learn. Should designers code, write, understand businesses? Well, these skills are incredibly valuable, but perhaps not essential. However, I will argue that every designer should learn the fundamentals of psychology. Jablonski also mentions that as humans, we have an underlying blueprint for how we perceive and possess what is around us. And the study of psychology helps to define this blueprint. As designers, we can leverage psychology to build more into the human-centered products and experience. End of quote. And I heard a wonderful article in 2018. Eleonore McKenna highlighted 10 psychological concepts for designers. These concepts included visual cues, Joestar principles, limited short-term memory, limited scope of awareness, and learner from examples, among other concepts that help the designers to utilize psychology in their designs. This is a new field that really inspired me, and that's why I wanted everyone to know about it. You can find the links of the articles below on the comments. Thank you for watching.